Hey guys, I'm gonna dance for you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's November. Like I feel like it's still like summer, like for some reason. So like this. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the barber shop, doing something hardy. I can oh, fidget videos, yes, I love fidgets. All right, so I'm gonna show you a big. No, wait, this is not big. It's let me just borrow this. Yeah, don't borrow. Trust me, guys, I have more poppets. I should count my poppets. I have like 4,000. Actually, more. I should have more poppets than 4,000. I don't know. Look how big this is. So big. I'm gonna show you how many poppets I have. A whole box filled. Oh, this is so heavy. A whole box. You know how heavy that is? Bro, when I open it, I'm like, is that 10,000 poppets? Yeah. A lot. Yeah. Bro, I gotta use the bathroom. Okay. But I'll see you when I'm done using the bathroom. Alright. So people barely have this in the world. It's a dragon. It's gold. Well, not real gold, but glittery too. It's not real gold, but I still like it. So, guys, do you guys think this is the most cringy, ugliest thing? Or is it cute? Like, why is this size? Why is it so big? And then this how small, look at this. Compared to this one. Oh. That'd be hitting different. Hold on, guys. My phone fell. Wow, my phone had to really just. Hold on. What? Look here. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Alright, hear this noise. Like I put in it, whenever you put in this squishy next here. Oh, this sounds like pee. Sounds so weird. Ew. Yeah, just mind my hair. Yeah, my hair is blonde, black, and brown. Because it has like some blonde at the end. You guys can see, right? Can you? I don't know if you guys can see or not. But I have a lot of fidgets. I don't just have like one. I have like 7 bins. It's a lot of bins, you know. It's not like one bin I gotta fit it on. What? My first poppet, I don't have it anymore because like I gave it to my friend. I don't know why. But I have my second poppet. Let me show you my second one. But my first one was like a yellow circle classic poppet. My second one was this one. Yeah, I know, right? It's so loud when you pop it on the outside. People say fidgets are from last year ago. Oh my god. phone. Alright, I'm literally recording on a bed. Alright. People say fidgets are. I know they are. They kind of are. But when new ones come out, but not from a year ago, that means they're new. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm 9, by the way. Comment if I left the comments on. Comment how old you are. I don't even know. Pop that last one. Guys, go ahead and pop that last one. Alright. And then I also have more. I'm just going to show you 2 more, though. These ones are so cute. Okay, well, I also have a Star Wars. Like, it's so dark. I can barely even see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. No, wait. I have one. I have 8 bins. Wow. No? Yeah, I have 11 bins. Or 12. Small poppets. All. Okay, first of all, can someone tell me why someone gave me this and they named it Peony? Doesn't that sound a little too sus? Like, what? I call it pie for pineapple. Like, it's short for pineapple, but I call it pie. I don't know why. Wait, that kind of rhymes. I call it pie, but I really don't know why. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot. She doesn't know to get her pay bill. Oh, wait, Mommy don't know that she got her pay bill. And it's from the government, and the government's crazy. Alright, yeah, that was. How about you say, Mommy don't know that her bill came, and then the government, like, what the? Open your mail, 'cause it needs to be open so you can know. Yeah, I don't know. Mommy don't know. Okay, I'm a basketball player. I always want to be a basketball player. That literally went in the window and then it came back out. Like, what? That was the perfect throw. Hold on. It got stuck up there. Let me grab it. Mommy don't know that isn't. Guys, this is my singing. And it's not fake. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the bottle shop. Doing something unholy. He sat back, was it popping it? She be dropping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. I'm begging you. So put your love in the outdoor, baby. I'm begging you. So put your love in the outdoor lane. Alright. And please subscribe because there's like 0 subscribers on my channel. There's like 0 things wrong with that. There's what? There's a million things wrong with that. I know. Just eat that. I don't know how I'm just throwing so good. Like, how did that just land in there? There's no way. One time I heated a water bottle in the hoop, and it actually went in the hoop. Like, okay, I'm gonna open this bin. I'm gonna eat this ball, and it's not fake because I never lie. So, well, sometimes, only one time, but sometimes I lie because I have to and I can. But okay, look, I have no green screen or people green screen because I don't have that. But just hold on, let me go so far. Oh my god, if I make it. There's no way I just eaten it. I made it. I just made it. But okay. Close.
What the fuck are you doing?
What? My toys. Bye-bye.